Look at my screen. Your pronunciation is wrong. Correct this word. Ba-ain dal.
Ba-ain dal.
Ba-ain dal.
Ba-ain dal.
Listen to me carefully. Ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips. And ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. And dal. Dal pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Okay. Now we will read Ba-ain dal.
Ba-ain dal.
Yes, next. Ain ba dal.
Ain ba dal.
Ain ba dal.
Ain ba dal. I want to read the next one.
Please pay full attention on your lesson. Ain ba dal.
Ain ba dal. I know already.
No, your pronunciation is wrong. Listen to me. Ain. Ain pronounced from the middle part of the throat like this. Ain.
Ain ba dal.
Ain. Ain. Repeat it after me.
Dal.
Repeat it after me. Only ain because your pronunciation is wrong. Ain.